Today I'm going to be reviewing my Wavytalk 5-in-1 hot airbrush set. First and foremost, I would like to say thank you to the company for sending this product so I could go ahead and unbox it and give you my full and honest review. So let's go ahead and check it out. So today I'm actually going to be testing it out. My hair is just air dried right now. It's still a little bit damp. So this brush set comes with 5 different tools to achieve different looks. So let me go ahead and go over the 5 of them. So you do get an instruction manual that just kind of walks you through the 5 different tools that you will get. So first I'm going to show you this one. This is the oval brush. This one right here. This is a 2.4 round brush. On the top here, this is anti-scalding. So you go ahead and get it close to your head and it's not going to be hot. So this helps protect your head from anti-scalding. Now here it does have these little air vents that gives you the airflow on it. Let me show you what it looks like. And then you get the tangle-free combination bristles. This is the round brush that is also included. This is a 1.5 round brush. And the great thing about these is that you could just snap them into place. So this is the bottom part right here. So all you have to do is just simply snap it into place just like that. And to release it, you just want to go ahead and unlock that. So next you do get your paddle brush, and this is what it looks like. So it's kind of like a hairbrush, but it does have the holes to give it some airflow. So as you're brushing your hair, it is also drying it. So this is the paddle brush. Next is the Concentrator Nozzle. And last you have your diffuser. This is a smaller diffuser, but this is what it looks like. I have never used a diffuser myself personally, but this is just, you want to go ahead and use it like this as it's drying, and it's going to go ahead and help get those curls nice and tight and bouncy. Also included is a heat resistant glove, so that's also included, and also you get 2 clips in here. Another thing that you get is a flannel bag. If you're traveling or just to save space so you don't have everything in the box, this is easy because you just put all the tools in here and close it up. So I'm going to show you how to assemble this. It is super quick. So as you can see here, I'm going to go ahead and give you a closer look. It does have that little triangle. Now on this also, you do have the little triangle itself. As you can see, it has a triangle and a lock. So you want to go ahead and make sure that you align those, and it's actually in the front and in the back, so it does not matter as long as your triangles are aligned. So you want to make sure that you align those triangles, press down, twist to make sure it locks into place, and you are ready to go. So it is super easy to switch these out. You want to just go ahead and press down on this, it releases it, and now you're ready to put the next one on there. So again, you want to make sure that the triangles are aligned. Like this one only has 1. You want to make sure, lock it into place, and you're set. It's not going to fall off. And then to unlock, just press that and twist. Super easy to do. Again, this one has 2 triangles. Make sure they align and twist. So this round brush right here, this is to give you those soft curls, that nice blowout salon quality hair. These 2 right here, you could use to blow dry your hair and straighten it at the same time. So it's going to go ahead and blow dry your hair and help you straighten your hair. One of the things that I like about this is that it does have that cool air shot. So this is going to go ahead, and once you have it on there, you want to go ahead and press this. It's going to lock those curls into place, really lock that hair. All right, so I'm actually going to be using the round brush today just to show you how it works. I'm going to lock it into place now. Then you want to go ahead and remove this. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on just to show you how loud or not loud it is. I'm not sure. I have not turned it on yet. It does have a cool feature. It has a high and low, so it actually only has 2 heat settings. So let's go ahead and try it on the cool. This is the low feature. Then the high. It is pretty powerful. And again, this is included, so you could use it to help you control your hair if it gets too hot. I personally do not use it, but I do like that this is included. I will be using the clips just to part my hair. Right, so now that I have my hair parted, I do like to start from the bottom up and work my way towards the front. I like to twist it. So So far, it is so easy to use. One of the things that I do like about it is that it's so lightweight, so I'm able to switch from left to right. So it is so easy to control, especially when I'm doing my hair behind my head. It is actually not heavy. My arms are not getting tired. So I do like that it's pretty lightweight. So as you can see, my hair is wavy, and I like how close I could get this to the scalp. It is not burning me. So as you can see, it smooths, straightens the hair, and removes any frizz that I do have, because my hair does tend to get a little frizzy, but as I run it through, brush it through, my hair's nice and soft, and it's blow drying it and also straightening it out at the same time. So I just finished blow drying it, and I wanted to give you a quick comparison. I actually let this hair down. I just wanted to show you the difference between the left side. It is already completely dry, fully blown out, but take a look. It is nice, shiny, not frizzy. This is what my hair actually looks like. It's a little lifeless, dull. It is frizzy. It has no shape whatsoever. It's kind of just lays flat. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the right side of my hair, and then I'm gonna go ahead and give you the finished product, what the blowout looks like, how easy it was to use, just kind of like my final thoughts on the Wavytalk 5-in-1 blow dryer. So take a look at that. This is the finished product. As you could see, my hair now has that bounce, has some life, and it is also nice and shiny. So I love how it dried my hair and styled it at the same time. Like I mentioned, I did use a round brush, but only because I wanted that nice blowout. But if I'm in a rush or I want to just quickly straighten my hair or blow dry it, I could use this other round brush, the paddle brush. I could also use the nozzle just to quickly blow dry my hair. But since I had air dried it, I did not use that today because I just wanted to really test this out if it was really going to dry my hair and also style it. So as you could see, I'm actually very happy with the result, how shiny my hair looks, how bouncy my hair looks, and that it styled my whole hair. Super nice blowout that it gave me. I love the volume. So if you're looking for a 5-in-1 tool, something that could style, blow dry your hair at the same time, then definitely check this one out.